Today, I'll guide you through some simple steps on how to attach a song to your Facebook Messenger notes and share it with your friends. First, you have to launch the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. At the top of the screen, locate the Notes section where you see your friends' notes. Next, tap on your note at the beginning of the Notes section. On the new screen, look for the music icon below your profile picture and tap it. After doing so, a new screen will appear with a list of available songs. Scroll through the list or use the search box to find a specific track. Once you find the song, tap on it to add it to your note. Drag and select the part of the song you want to include in your note. When you're happy with your selection, tap Done at the top of the screen. Write a caption for your note in the Share Your Thoughts section if you want. Once you're ready, tap Share at the top of the screen. And that's it. Your note with music is now live and will be visible to your friends.